Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how to navigate and search for ebooks on the GALE news resource. Once you have signed in to access this resource, you will notice that there's a variety of sources available within GALE News, Business and Reference resource for you to use and search for relevant information. For this particular video, we'll just be solely focusing on how to use the ebooks section. If you click on the ebooks tab from the main menu, you'll be taken to the following page where I will list all available ebooks to you in alphabetical order. There are over 600 ebook titles available on the GALE News resource for Northwest Regional College students. On the left side of the screen, you can break down the results on the middle of the screen to be more relevant to what you're looking to search for by choosing from a range of subjects such as arts, social science, environment, general reference, history, multicultural studies, literature, science, law, biography, medicine, business, education, nation and world, religion, technology, and information and publishing. For the next example going forward, we'll just click on the subject of medicine, and you'll notice that the ebook results on the middle of the screen will change automatically. When moving the mouse across the ebook covers, you will notice that a pop-up box will appear on the screen, giving you a brief description as to what that particular ebook is about. For the next example, we'll just click on the first ebook result to be taken to the following screen. On the ebook page, this being Body Systems, you'll be provided details about this publication, such as the name of the author or authors, the year it was published, etc. The table of contents provides you with a list of what the ebook entails. Book Index provides you a list of terms that exist within this ebook and what page number they can be found. List of illustration provides a list of illustrations that can be found within the ebook, and when you move your mouse across the images, a pop-up box will appear telling you what the image is and mention who done it. To view the ebook, simply click on the View eBook button, which can be located just underneath the ebook cover image. You'll be taken to the following page where you can read that ebook in a PDF format, where you can use the left and right arrow buttons to flip through the ebook. You can also use the toggle option, which makes you view the ebook in 2 pages at a time rather than just 1 page at a time. Near the top right of the screen, you will notice that you can also view the ebook in text view, which is located next to the table of contents button. If you click on text view, you'll be taken to the following page where you can read that ebook in full text format. You also have the options to enlarge the size of the font, and you even have the option to have the ebook read out to you.
Cardiovascular system, life stages. Life stages. Prenatal development. Description in the embryonic stage of fetal development, which is considered to be